Alright guys, so I wanted to tell you guys I got this pumpkin seeds. It's so sunny in my kitchen today, so my lighting might not be the best. So, not that I got a pumpkin seed. It's around Halloween time, and we were carving this Halloween pumpkin for my daughter. So I thought I'd make and try this seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil from scratch using raw seeds. What we're gonna do is clean them up first. So this is just right after being carved out of a pumpkin, and I just need to clean these, and all I need is the seeds, and then I'll show you guys what is next. So I'm gonna use a sieve. It's kind of strange. And we place these in here. Whatever big lumps that I don't need, like this, I don't need to include that in here. We're trying to make them out, as you can see. So that doesn't need to be included in here. So I just want to show you guys accurately. Once we have them clean and you can't really take out everything, that's also fine. What we're looking for is this particular seeds, and there's still some bits in there, but I really have tried my best to clean as far as I could, or as much as I could. So we're going to put this on a tray. Alright, so what I have here is just a tray, and I'm just going to spread them. And as you can see, there's still some of that yuckiness in there. We'll rinse that later. And a few bits just to get rid of. So my whole aim is to have these seeds dry up first. And once they dry, we're not using the oven because this is not a snack. We need the nutrients in the seed. So I don't want to dry the seeds by using the oven. We're going to dry the seeds naturally. So this is part 1 of this video, and I just wanted to show you how to make pumpkin oil from scratch. Watch out for part 2 so that you keep up, but I wanted to show you guys that you can make anything at home if you wish to. So I'll see you in my next video on this pumpkin seed. The next one might not be about the pumpkin seeds because I'm going to wait until they dry up first. And remember, pumpkin seed oil can be used on hair and body. So whatever oil I'm going to make will be beneficial for both. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel, remember to thumbs up this video, and also subscribe so you don't miss videos like this, and check out my other videos as well. And if you're a new subscriber, you're more than welcome on this channel all the time. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, and to all my old subscribers, thank you once again. Until next time, see ya.